Hi, this is Glenn Davis with Lewis Manufacturing, and today we're going to show you how to properly grease a swivel and check for any irregularities which might cause you to put your swivel out of use. I've got an HD2SZ swivel here. It's got a grease Zerk fitting on the side, and today I'm going to purge it and show you how it should actually be greased. You always want to use a water-resistant grease. We recommend Mystic JT6. You also want to check your pins and make sure there's no cracks or anything on any parts of the swivel. If so, you need to take it out of use immediately. If you grease your swivel, it's going to last quite a bit longer. We recommend purging it after every use. That way you can purge all the contaminants and bentonite out of the seals and clean your swivel. I've got an example here of a swivel that we got sent back where it didn't get greased. You can actually see the dirt still left in there. I doubt this swivel was ever greased, but anyway, it locked up on them, and for good reason, because it's just full of mud and debris. Always do your inspections before you use your swivel. You want to check it for cracks in the jaw areas or the body. Also, if your pins are stripped, go ahead and get new pins for your swivel. Make sure it turns and make sure there's no up and down movement of the stem. So I'm going to go ahead and grease the swivel and show you how to purge it. Always use a hand grease gun and not an electric, as you're liable to blow your seals out. You just want to purge it till you see grease coming out. It'll get rid of all the bentonite and dirt, and it'll be ready for next use. What you want to do here is just, after you see grease come out, just wipe it off. Store it in your truck in a dry environment, and it'll be ready for the next time you want to use it.